Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Vampire Irina and Bounty Hunter Chelsea, chapter 35. So here it is. Let's read the story. Sister, you wake up. How are you feeling right now? It's better. Campbell, look at her. It seems that she was really in the good mood. Well, when Josiah wake up, she suddenly surprised. Campbell. Well, she was surprised that Campbell prepared everything for her, especially breakfast. Well, the course is still there, but it has loosened. I feel like a part of power I lost has returned. Well, it seems that Josiah, right now, she feels so loved. Wait, I was worried that my sister would not recover well, so I specially made a love lunch for her. Love lunch? Now, Josiah seems to be surprised when Campbell presented her a burnt meal. Sister, eat quickly. Oh, that thing. Of course, right now, Josiah was surprised. Thank you, but I'm not hungry yet. I will eat it later. Well, of course, she don't want to eat friend food, but it was Campbell. She really made it with love. However, I want to wait for my sister to come home. My sister's not home, and I'm scared to be alone right there. Campbell said to Josiah, oh, did she really want her to feel guilty so she can come back home? What do I do? It's all along. Wait, I want to do most is to regain my strength. Well, probably. She really wants to eliminate Ethan. That's why right now she really wants to gain power and so on. Seek revenge for who will eliminate my parents. Remembering all of this, of course, Chelsea right now, she feels so sad. That's why I decided to eliminate Ethan right now. She was really decided. Since the vampire hunts no humans have died recently, I think we should call it quits. So this is it. We'll stop the manhunt. So what will happen? Josiah actions alone anger the vampires and cause them to greater revenge. Who can bear this responsibility? Well, everyone's put on Josiah. But, the director is trying to calm her down. It seems that the guild is having planned to execute Josiah so she can remove by the guild. Josiah, do you remember that announcement I made a year ago? Josiah said, you mean? Right now, she was talking to the president of the guild. That's right, I once issued announcements that no matter who can eliminate Ethan, I will unconditionally give up the position of a president of the hunter to the guild. That's a demon, run away. Well, everything. I really remember. But on that time, it was really a chaos. Again, one of the members said, don't be targeted by him, otherwise your family will be silenced by him. That announcements I was worst things I ever done in my life. The president said to her right now, countless people took risks for the sake of profit by really poisons by Eton. Hunting Eton was also what I dreamed of being, but it was a tragic cause. Live in the ice. Josiah, are you really ready to mess with a terrible opponent? Well, she was pretending. Josiah was really ready, really face off. The devil vampire called Eton. If you eliminate Eton, become the president of the Hunter Association. She's still counting it now. Right now, the president was calling her. Josiah. It seems that Josiah is thinking something. Right now, she was forced. You really want to be crazy to be the president without everyone's help. Can you eliminate Eton alone? Right now, one of the colleagues was really worried about her. A crazed person who is still delusional eliminate the Blood Prince. Did not wait how many phones and tiles of himself. Well, everyone is having a chaos, especially right now. We all disagree about the plan of Chelsea. Chelsea, blind self-confidence is not good thing. Well, everyone is getting angry at her. Since you don't believe that she can succeed, then just agree anyway. You won't lose anything. One of the hunters said. They said that you guys are usually timid, have no ability. Now they let people come forward freely. This was an unrealistic dream wasting time. You, what do you know? When I eliminate Ethan, you still don't know where to play mud. Well, everyone is getting crazy about who will be going to eliminate Ethan. Everyone was disagreeing. The plan of Josiah also support. The president said, well, right now, at least they agree. Away, we are too old to live to conservative hunter guild. It's time for the more courageous persons to lead. Well, the president see. McLean. The president is calling McLean. Was really mischievous. He really provoked guild elders right now. Seems that he don't really care. Saya said to all of them, thank you just now. Right now, she can go and try her best to eliminate Ethan. Don't get me wrong, I just use her hand to achieve my goal. I also want to eliminate Ethan. As a president, let's not relax my vigilance. Well, it turns out this man, you really want to be a president and convince Josiah. Got it, I will not let you down. So, this is it. It's like a promise to her. Back then, at home, sister, you came back late today. I'll wait for you and fall asleep on the sofa. Looking at her, Campbell. So, she may get attention of Josiah. Discuss some things at the Hunter Guild today, and the time was delayed. Didn't I let you rest earlier? Why did you want to so late? Campbell, right now, look at her, trying to be a baby. However, I want to wait for my sister to come home. My sister's not at home, and I'm afraid alone. Right now, she's trying to convince Josiah. No, next time, I will go home early. I won't let you want so long. Thank you, sister. Sister is the best. Campbell is praising her right now. What happened to my sisters today? Why did she come back so late? Looking at it, they're really close to each other. Josiah, right now, she was looking at Campbell. Sign an agreement in the Hunter Guild, meaning Ethan and I can be the next president. But can you really help Irina? She was really surprised. Ethan has also a grudge for him. Is that the blood count? With Raid Vampire, Ethan? Well, Campbell was right. Right now, can she help Josiah fulfill her dreams? Well, let's see it then. Really succeeded this time. Because Ethan, he was also a powerful vampire. Of course, all of them are being led by Irina. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!